I don't like pictures. I like pictures.
Pull it all the way back.
There.
Now, push it forward a little
Bless
bit.
you.
Is there one BB on it?
Yeah.
Okay, push it all the way forward. Okay, that's the BB that's going to shoot then. Okay.
This is Ralphie's first shot with the BB gun.
You keep your finger off the trigger.
Waiting for the guy, what are those clowns that came over the fence, remember that?
Backhand on the trigger.
Oh yeah, and then they put the axes over the eyes.
Striped shirts.
Okay. Nope, don't put your trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Nathan, no smiling.
Put this here. Alright. Now, line up this with that green thing in the middle of the square.
I gotta get these big enough to do that.
You not see through them?
Take them off if you can't see through them.
They're too large.
Okay, I can see it.
Okay, push the safety off.
Where is it?
Right in front of the trigger. Okay. You're locked and you were locked and loaded. Now you're unlocked. Okay, you're live.
Now should I pull the trigger? Now I pull the
Aim it.
pull the trigger?
Are you aimed? Is that green thing lined up with this? Not? And are they lined up in front of the box? You gotta lift it up or down. You gotta aim it. You need this hand to be out as far as you can get it. Okay? Alright, ready? Put your finger on the trigger and shoot.
There you go.
Right next to mine!
Hey!
Let's go see.
Nice shot, Nathan.
Nice shot, Nathan.
It's a bullseye.
Look how close we shot together.
Nice shot, buddy.
Uncle Dustin, pump it again.